choo, 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 choo. Oh, I love this. I am so excited, guys. I have Darren Saari here, and I am not sorry at all. I am so excited that he's joining us because he's going to be teaching us how to make these awesome ray guns. How cool are these?
Thank you so much. I love being here. This is awesome. Thank you, Sandy, for the opportunity. So today we're going to make a ray gun, and when I was younger, I started making balloons like at 7 years old, and I first learned how to make this ray gun. I think a lot of people know how to make this type, so we're going to kind of modify it and turn it into something like this. So it'll be really cool. So you need 2 balloons. So for your first balloon, so you got to pick 2 of your favorite colors. For your first balloon, you'll see that we're going to just start with a pinch twist, and actually you're going to blow it up about 6 fingers of tail right there. So you see, when you normally start with the ray gun, you do the handle first, but for the first balloon, we're not going to do the handle because we're going to make the handle with the second balloon. You'll do it like this, with pinch twist, and then you're going to make a loop, and make sure it's big enough for a balloon to fit through there. So make it about, I have big hands, but about 5 or 6 fingers. Just like that. Awesome. And then make a small bubble, and then you're going to make, to get the good taper effect, we're going to make a bubble a little bit, a loop twist a little bit smaller. And when you do that and you squeeze the balloon, this balloon gets pretty long. And you want it to be long so then you could put the other loops on it. So once you have this, we're going to take this and put it through these 2 loops like this. Don't pull it all the way through, stop about right there, and then you're going to pull it through this one. There we go. And then you're going to take our second balloon, and we're going to, actually I'm going to use orange instead. And what we're going to do is make the handle. So you're going to make the handle of the ray gun and twist it right there. And then we're going to put this twist into this pinch twist. Like this. And then this handle goes in the back. Pinch twist goes in the front like that. And then next, we're going to, with the rest of the orange balloon, your second balloon, we're going to make a bubble. And then a loop about the same size or a little bit smaller as the first loop we made. Because what's really cool about this design is that you get the taper effect. And then with this, so you twist that together, and then you make a small bubble like this. And then you're going to make a smaller loop like that. There you go. And as you see with the ray gun that Sandy had, it only had 2 loops, but this one has 3. If you're feeling extra expert level, you can make a 3rd loop, and it looks really cool because it's like 5 and it's kind of uneven and nice looking. But if you run out of balloon or anything, you could just put a pinch twist here and end it and then pull the balloon through. But I think I'm going to do 3. There you go. And then with the rest of the balloon, you're going to take it and add a bubble and pinch twist that. And then with the rest, you're going to break that off. And then you're going to tie a knot around that pinch twist like that. And then you can tuck the excess inside the loop. So now we have this. We're not completely done yet. We're going to take the rest of this balloon and pull it through these loops. There you go. Kind of adjust it like that. This pinch twist goes there. And then with the rest of this, because we didn't use the blue part for the handle, we have extra balloon to make a long ray gun. And you just add the bubble in the front, and now you have the completed ray gun just like that. Now you're ready to take down some aliens. Awesome. So I want to make sure that you guys smash the like button and you comment your favorite line work balloon, and subscribe to this channel, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And my name is Darren Saari, and you could follow me on Instagram at SaariNotSaari. And if you guys like these shirts, I custom make these shirts, and my website is twistballoons.com, and you can buy the shirts from there. And twist is spelled with 2 I's, T-W-I-I-S-T. So if you guys like these shirts, I have other designs. I have like a dog fist and a bunch of other cool casual balloon wear shirts. All right, guys, so go forth and balloonify.